Hi guys, you are watching me, Nikki, also known as Faces Trader. It's now Friday, July 17, 2020, and thank you for watching the Global Market Update. This is daily. If this is your first time, click or subscribe, click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our updates. So tonight we're gonna discuss Copin. Copin actually went up 181. You could see the wearables are very strong, and this is a company that I didn't focus or I didn't actually mention. It was actually a breakout of 160. Yesterday, it hit as high as 233. A lot of our winners, essentially for the week, was really wearables, wearables, wearables. You could see that VUZIX, we got in at about 270, 280, 265 for some people. Now it's at 419. So kaboom, right? What's happening to the wearable sector is that people are starting to really appreciate that the wearables indeed are a secular trend. Why is this so? Well, of course, yesterday, there was news that, I'm gonna read to you the news. Where did I share it? I shared it last night, something about the Microsoft Teams. Okay, I have it here, don't worry. I will share it to you. Hashtag wearables, AR, VR. For those who aren't invested in them, you are really missing out. Wanna wait? It's okay. So this is actually the news for your wearables. The world's first commercial deployment of Microsoft Teams on RealWear Inc. in the energy industry at our La Porte, Texas polypropylene plant. That is Total USA. You can watch at real time the industrial digital transformation. So for those who aren't aware, Copin powers the HMT platform, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and soon even the stronger Office 365 integration will extend the reach of head-mounted tablets. Shout out to Derek Zeiler. He is really a very, very strong believer of AR and VR. It was very strong, such that all of these augmented reality was strong, like Eman, Vuzi, Hemex and MVIS, they're all up. I'm gonna show you a few shares. Yeah, we have Vuzi. MVIS went up. You could see that Himax also benefited. So Himax hasn't truly run up yet, but Himax is also a partner of your Google. So you could see that drops here at 381. You can still enter Himax while it hasn't ran up to 450. Eman, I didn't study this yet, imagine. Yeah, so maybe put this on your watch list. EMAN, you probably want to put your due research diligence tonight, study what this company has done. 20 cents to $1.40, had a nice setup here at 79 cents. Let's put it on our watch list. Let's see if we can actually see if we like Eman and Himax. See, so we have great friends. Our friends can actually help us make money. So what else? There's actually news yesterday that Baidu, let me share to you about that. Wait, Baidu is in your conglomerate space. Baidu is now the highest cloud computing growth. Wait up. Okay, I'm gonna share that to you. Did I share it here? Wait up. I'm gonna share it. Baidu. Baidu, guys, actually is a nice setup right now. I like it so much. Yes. Wait up. Where did I write it? I'll give you guys something. There you go. Conglomerates show more. Ta-da. Okay. So let me read you a few things. So Baidu is the Chinese search leader, also the leading AI cloud provider by a growing number of metrics. So Baidu right now boasts the highest market share in China's fast-growing artificial intelligence public cloud service market, according to a recent report by International Data Corp. Baidu beat out notable competition as Alibaba Cloud and Tencent. In addition to being the market share leader, Baidu also has the highest number of invocations and provides the highest number of AI products and capabilities, according to the report. AI capabilities have become the key considerations for companies when they choose a cloud computing provider, giving Baidu an edge for future growth. In 2019, the AI cloud services market in China was valued at $166 million. And IDC predicts the market will see a capabilities and services provided by our platform, said CEO Robin Lee. Company announced several key agreements over the past week to supply AI cloud services to high-profile customers in China. Baidu is partnered with Shanghai Pudong Development Bank, China National Building Material Group, the People's Government of Shanghai Pudong New Era to develop AI applications that will serve a variety of industries. Baidu has been heavily investing in cloud computing in recent years, announcing plans to deploy 5 million intelligent cloud servers by 2030 and train 5 million AI experts over the next 5 years. Ta-da, la la la. So you could see that these are what's happening. Okay, so you could see that in these secular trends, we're talking about facial body recognition technology, image video technology, voice technology, natural language processing, NLP technology, conversational AI, machine learning. So you could see that Alibaba Cloud is big here, very big here. Baidu Cloud is big here. And then, as you can see, we also have small partners like Kingsoft Cloud. So look at these. So AWS, that's Amazon, Alibaba, Baidu, Huawei, JD, Kingsoft, Tencent, Microsoft, Azure. La la la, aren't they great companies? Obviously, yes. Do I own some of them? The answer is yes. But if you don't own them, don't worry. Let me tell you that you can enter them. If you're going to grow 100% in the next 6 years, don't worry about buying it 20% higher. So I bought it at 99. I bought it at 106. I bought it at 120. Even if you buy it at 123, even if you can buy it at 115, take it as manna from heaven that you can buy it low because it's going to go up, up, up. If you know the secular direction is right, it's going to go up, up, up. Baidu is a buy. Another thing for you to know, Kingsoft Cloud. So I'm not sure why Kingsoft Cloud is going down, but I happily sold at 38 just because of technicals, because I thought that, I thought I was late at 28. The right entry was 20. So people got 100% move in just a few days. So I got in at 28, sold at 38, but I started buying back at about 32 to 31. Even if it goes tonight at 28, I'm okay. So Kingsoft Cloud, as you know, is a small player. The business of Kingsoft Cloud, I'm going to share to you. So they have good partners with Kingsoft Cloud. The biggest partner of Kingsoft Cloud is Mr. TikTok, ByteDance, Mr. Masayoshi Son. I put it here in the cloud. Click. Where is it? Cloud. Okay, so read it. Kingsoft Cloud is a company for companies that don't want to build and manage their own servers, tech infrastructure. They're going to companies like Kingsoft, which is at a very basic level offering on-demand computing, content delivery, and storage. Thanks to a boom in video streaming and other apps, China's cloud service is on track to top $80 billion by 2024, up from $23 billion last year. So according to a research site in the company's prospectus, so that's a times 4 in about 4 years. Kingsoft is a known brand in software. It's parent listed in Hong Kong for over a decade. It has avoided all sides of accounting troubles. Kingsoft chairman is no stranger to the public markets. Lei Jun is the chief executive officer of Xiaomi. Lei's interests across two companies may pose conflicts of interest later on, but not for now. Kingsoft has a capable pool of customers who don't want their critical IT needs served by Alibaba and Tencent. Therefore, these two cloud leaders are also competitors to many companies throughout their vast-ranging businesses, from online shopping to video games and more. Kingsoft customers already include Mr. ByteDance, owner of viral video app TikTok. I'm not sure if people were actually afraid, because actually I saw a news as well that Kingsoft Cloud, so let me read you a few things. For those who aren't aware, Kingsoft Cloud went IPO this year at $17. They are expanding and they're relatively inexpensive. It is, take note that China is the world's second largest cloud service market in the US. Outlays are gaining 38% in the last 4 years to $23 billion. This is expected to increase very strongly in 2024. So cloud services as a percentage of total spending was 6% in 2019 compared to 15% in 2019 for US, and is expected to double or triple by 2024. So Kingsoft Cloud said that we are happy for our first quarter earnings. Revenues increased 65%, growth in both public and enterprise cloud services. 5G is going to create long-term growth opportunities for both public cloud and enterprise cloud services. Guys, I said a lot, but your own due diligence, but Kingsoft Cloud and Baidu are buys. we've got a lot of winners to share. I wouldn't tell you why they're winners, but let me just share to you why we bought them. We made money here, Earthstone Energy. So we got in at about 275. It closed at 305. I do think it's gonna go to $4. So study it yourself. Why did Nikki you buy that? Oceaneering. I think that at $6 is a good entry. Yes, we got it at 6. I do think it's gonna go up. Study it yourself. Why Nikki bought it? What else? So Copen, you already know why. Vuzix, you already know why. So you know Eman, you know Himax. Okay, so this is China. So you can see that today there's a lot of opportunities. So yeah, so like yesterday, past few days, BID company was falling down. So 88 going down to 69. I would say that if it drops, it's actually a good entry to position in. So at 70 to 65, take a look. You might actually have an entry in some of the Chinese companies being dumped. Not all Chinese companies are made equal. You can actually check Alibaba too. Alibaba going down to about 230 is a good thing. Of course, everyone is now panicking why Netflix down 9%. Earnings of Netflix was down. But then again, if you know how to enter, you'd still be up. The fact that Netflix fell from 570 to 520 here and poses an earnings risk tells you that it's priced for perfection. What does that mean, guys? If Zoom Video makes an earnings somewhere in the next September, it can fall to about $200 if the market is assuming the moon. If the market is so bullish and it's priced in, you have to know that there are downside for your big winners. As I said, your Shopify, your Mercado Libre, all of your e-commerce have shown these drops. So Shopify has this drop from about 1,050. Maybe it can fall to $800. Maybe it can fall to $700. You have to be careful and take some profits off, even if you like this. So the path to 500%, as I said, is marred with a lot of 20% and 50% drops. See this 48% drop, then from about 300 times 3 to 1,000. If 1,000 goes down another 50% drop or even a 30% drop, then it can go to 700 or 500. Now, I'm not scaring you. I love Shopify, but you have to know when to take some profits out, trim a bit so that you can buy low, so that you're not gonna be panic attack when it's going down. What else? So there's a lot of great companies. Yes, Shopee, SE. So as I said, it has peaked here at 129. It can go down and it's falling down. So 109 yesterday. Even if it goes down to about 80 or 70, I'm okay to get in. Yesterday, Shopee reported good numbers. Let me see. Let me read it to you. So again, it matters what you own, what you know about the company. Did I share it? I don't think I shared it, but SE leads in the Free Fire. So Free Fire gaming downloads continues to go strong, like especially for the last month. So all the entities inside C Limited are growing strong. And I would say that any drops here from about 110 all the way to 70 are all buys. So I don't really care about drawdowns. All I care about is position size. So let's say I put a buy here at 110, I put a buy here at 90, I put a buy here at 70. I'm okay to get those drawdowns. If it goes down 20, 30%, it's fine for me. 20 to 30% drawdowns are fine for me because I do position sizing. And to be honest, I'm not even sure if those bids will get done. What else? Microvision went up. A lot of Chinese companies are actually giving us an opportunity to enter them again. Gambling stocks went up. Your Penn National Gaming went up. So I am not buying these names because I think the upside is lower. I'm late. If I'm late, I don't push. It's okay. Sunrun, we continue to have it, but let me just tell you that Sunrun might actually be trail stop at 33. So we like it. It can go to 40, 48, but just hold on. And if something is wrong, then you exit. So as long as it's going up, just hold. Then when it's going down, then you sell. Yeah, very simple like that. So like yesterday, of course, like the airlines fell a bit, but actually it's still intact. You could see that the jets is still above 16. So buying at 1667, yesterday some people bought this. Yes, I'm okay too with that. You could see that the retail companies are also showing that buy signal. So Capri Holdings, yes, I bought a little. This is your retail clothing for luxury, owner of Michael Kors, owner of Jimmy Choo and Versace. So there's a lot of buy signals. People are asking me, do you still like Delta Airlines? Yeah, I do agree. As long as like Delta Airlines here is you've got support here at 24. You could see that it will be slow, but it's in my view bottoming out. So you've got a lot of companies that actually continue to be strong. Ford Motor at 6. Some of us got shaken out here and then didn't get back in. Doesn't matter if you're still holding it, good for you. Looks like it can go 850, so 750 to 850. Strong moves. SunPower is something that I like. So SunPower, any drops here near $9 is okay. If you got in at 10 or 10.5, don't worry. It looks like, yes, you have a temporary resistance at 11, but this is looking to be an accumulation part. For those who don't know, SunPower and Maxion Technologies, the spin-off is happening. And SunPower is actually a company that has so much strength when it comes to corporate and residential solar panels. So it's a competition for next era energy, a competition for Sunrun and for Tesla when it comes to residential solar panel installers. So yeah, so it's Friday. I'd like to invite all of you to go to our Friday free class. Today we're gonna discuss, I'm gonna discuss the rise of retail. So we're gonna discuss the retail brokerage firms. So we're gonna discuss Interactive Brokers, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. Yeah, so we're gonna discuss like the advent of retail stock trading, the brokerage firms, this national, international, global phenomenon about stocks globally. So see you again later, guys. I'm gonna discuss it 5:30 to 6:30. Just tune in for this YouTube channel, awesome10x.com, and have a great day. Thank you very much, and see you again later. Bye-bye.